Hi, my name is Happy. Welcome to Tubek. We are professional manufacturer, designer, and seller of energy storage solutions. I'm going to show you some of our most standard solutions. Okay, let's start it. Here, we have a complete solar panel system. Just above, we have what we call the inverter. This model actually is a one-phase hybrid inverter. So actually, for those who know, or maybe who doesn't know what a hybrid inverter does, it's very simple. Its particularity is that it can be connected to both the on-grid and the off-grid system. The on-grid here is the utility grid, so the country grid, and the off-grid actually is a PV system. So yes, it has that advantage. In case of power outage, for example, it can continue to drive energy from the PV system. And if the PV system is not working because for example, there's no light, there's no sun during the day, so it can also drive energy from the utility grid. And for this system, actually, it has a capacity from 4 kilowatts, 4 kVA to 6 kVA. It has more than 98% of efficiency. So the conversion rate is very high. And also for the nominal voltage is 48 volts. Just above, actually, we have what we call the storage system. That's the battery bank, the lithium-ion phosphate battery bank. Compared to the deep cycle battery, it has many advantages. It have a long life cycle of more than 6,000 cycles. It can handle inconsistent charge and discharging. It has almost no free. It has almost a free maintenance option actually. And for this model, actually, that's here is a 5 kilowatts hour. You have it in 5 kilowatt hours, in 10 kilowatts hour, and if you need to add more capacity, you can dial. It has for other features, it has a 90% deep of discharge, and that's 51.2 volts. So with this inverter and the battery pack, you have a complex system. Okay, now let's move to the second product. For the second product, we have what we call the only one. So we combine both the inverter and the battery. So for this model, actually, just on top, we have the inverter of 5 kVA, and just above, here we have a 5 kilowatts hour battery pack and another 5 kilowatt battery pack. For the other system, you have a 5 kVA inverter and 10 kilowatts hour battery pack. And actually, this model it can be expanded. The battery pack can be expanded. It can be expanded up to 20 kilowatts hour. And it's very convenient for homes, for residential. It can be used for residential, and mostly for residential. Okay, let's move to the next products. Here we have the off-grid inverter. Compared to the hybrid inverter, actually, it can also be connected to the utility grid and to the PV system, but it cannot feed back the energy excess to the grid, for example. I don't know if I mentioned that, but for the hybrid system, when there's an energy excess, for example, the system can feed back that excess energy to the utility grid. So in some countries where the government allows to sell the excess energy, it can be good for the user, it can be good for the customer to sell that energy excess for other users. But with the off-grid inverter, you don't have that option actually. You don't have that option. and the system can be monitored online remotely. In terms of capacity, you have from 1 kVA to 8 kVA. It has a 95% of efficiency, so the efficiency is very high. In general, in the industry, it's about 93%. In terms of voltage, the nominal voltage is 48 volts. Okay, let's move to another product. This one is what we call the power station. That is small power station. It's portable. That is portable power station. It enables to power small load equipment like a cell phone, a laptop, a cell phone, a laptop, a small fan, bubble lights, and so on. So that's 2.5 kilowatts power. It's an easy plug system actually. It has the USB. It has a Type-C output. So it's very convenient for small hardware activities and for home too. It has to be charged first and then it can be used. Okay, let's move to the next product. Now we have another system that's actually only the battery pack is rack mounted. That is a stack mounted battery pack. Just above here we have the BNM system that controls the hard system, and just below we have 3 battery banks. 1, 2, 3. Every battery bank has 5 kilowatt hours. So the system can be expanded up to 7. Up to 7 battery banks can be added on. So it can be the total capacity can be from 5 kilowatt hours to 30 kilowatt hours, and that's actually for home that has a higher load demand, or maybe for some offices. Let's move to our last baby. This one actually is a kind of new system in the market, and it's a rack mounted. It can be in low voltage and high voltage. High voltage for some commercial and industrial projects. The capacity can be from 5 kilowatt hours for every battery pack to 35 kilowatt hours. That's the maximum capacity we have. And in terms of feature, actually it has almost the same feature as our one-mounted battery packs. So it's very convenient. It's very convenient mostly for offices, commercial and industrial projects. So if you worry about power hostage, actually we have the solutions for you. And if you are a distributor and you would like to work with us, we offer flexible conditions. We offer a wonderful support and step-by-step training for our partners. So welcome to contact us, to contact your bank, and let's start working together. See you next time. Bye.